Hello! This is a quick and easy do-it-yourself project, making miniature hanging sleigh bells with craft ribbon, tiny jingle bells or beads, and round jewelry jump rings for display. Materials are shown and listed below. Select a ribbon and jump ring. If it's a 1/4 inch wide ribbon, use a jump ring that will fit around it. Test it first. So generally, cut an extra width to the length size of the hanger for the ring to fold over. So to make a 1 1/4 inch sleigh bell hanger, cut a 1/4 inch width ribbon, 2 inches long. Cut an inverted V on the bottom of one end. Slide the jump ring through the ribbon, like maybe a 4 to 6 millimeter or one that has a 1/4 inch opening. Glue a 1/4 inch from the other end of the V-cut. Fold it over the ribbon. Press and clamp to dry. For a shorter hanger on a 1/8 inch width ribbon, add 1/8 inch to the ribbon's desired length. Cut. Select a jump ring that has a 1/8 inch opening. Cut the inverted V at the bottom. Glue down 1/8 inch on the other side. Press around the ring and clamp. For the larger ribbon, I'm using 3/16 inch diameter small jingle bells. For the smaller hanger, I am using no-hole round balls about 1/8 inch in diameter. To add the bells to the ribbon, lay them out and measure equal distance apart, and then mark. With a toothpick, make super glue dots on the ribbon. Then with another toothpick, use tacky or PVA glue to the back side of the bell or the ball. Then place the glued bells to the glued ribbon, press together. Repeat for the smaller ribbon. To sew the bells, prepare the ribbon with the inverted V and glued jump ring. You could also sew the jump ring if you desire instead of gluing. Then select round beads with holes and a needle that goes through it. Thread the needle with a knot on the end. Mark the bead locations on the back of the ribbon. Insert the needle from the back to the front of the ribbon. Pull the thread through. Add the bead. Then insert the needle from the front to the back in the same hole or very next to it. Pull the thread to the back, tie a knot to secure the bead, and repeat for the rest of the bead bells. You can add glue to the back of the knots for added strength. You could make a variety of colors and sizes. I have made several that will work for 1/6, 1/12, 1/24, or 1/48 mini scales. I am adding 1/12 scale hangers to my mini outhouse door and with my mini pinecone wreaths. I hope you liked this fun video making miniature sleigh bell hangers. Thank you so much for watching.